Hi students, today we will discuss about multiplication of matrices. In the previous video we discussed about addition or subtraction of two matrices. Now let us see multiplication. Here the condition for multiplication of two matrices is, if you say let A and B are two matrices, then the condition is number of columns of A, that means number of columns of first matrix, must be equal to number of rows of B, that is number of rows of second matrix. Then only AB exists. Otherwise, it does not exist. That means columns of first matrix equal to rows of second matrix. Now let us see example based on the multiplication of matrices. If you take A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 3 and this is 2 by 2 matrix, B is equal to 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 4 and this order is 2 by 3. Now let us check orders 2 by 2, 2 by 3. In the first matrix we required number of columns. What is the number of columns? 2. In the second matrix, number of rows. What is the number of rows? 2. So 2 equal to 2. Then only AB exists. Now let us see the multiplication of A and B is equal to, write two matrices 2, 1, 1, 3 and second matrix 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 4. First you take first row, first column, that is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Next, first row, second column, that is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Next, first row, third column, that is 2 into 0 plus 1 into 4. Next, second row, first column, that is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Next, second row, second column, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Next, second row, third column, that is 1 into 0 plus 3 into 4. Now let us simplify this. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 into 1, 1 and 4 plus 0, 0 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 0, 0 plus 12 and finally we get 7, 4, 4, 6, 2, 12. That means order is 2 rows and 3 columns. Now let us see once again. Here order of A is 2 by 2, order of B is 2 by 3. Here columns 2, rows 2. Neglect this. Then we get 2 by 3. This is the required matrix order. Let us remember important point from multiplication of matrices. Here order of matrix A is 2 by 2, order of matrix B is 2 by 3. And number of columns in A 2, number of rows in B 2. So these are the equal and omit this. Now what we get? Number of rows is 2, number of columns is 3. 2 by 3. This is order of the multiplicated matrix AB. Now let us see another example for multiplication of matrices. If A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 3, that is order 2 by 2. B is equal to 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, order 2 by 3. Then find BA. Here we have to calculate B into A. That means first matrix is B, second matrix is A. Now let us see what is the order of B. Order of B is 2 by 3. And order of A, what is the order of A? 2 by 2. Now let us see number of columns in first matrix, that is B. Number of columns are 3. Number of rows in second matrix, that is order of A is 2. Here 3 and 2, both are not equal, that is 3 not equal to 2. So therefore we can say that columns in B not equal to rows in A. So what we can say? The multiplication of B, A does not exist. Now let us see another example on multiplication. If A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 2, 3 minus 1, here order is 2 by 3. B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. Order is 3 by 2. Find AB. First of all, we have to check out the condition for multiplication. Now, let us see number of columns in A, that is 3. Number of rows in B, that is 3. Is it equal or not? So, 3 equal to 3. So, therefore, multiplication of AB is possible. And also one more thing, final matrix order is 2 by 2. Why? Because we have to omit 3, 3. So, that remaining 2 by 2 is order of the final matrix. Now, let us see A into B is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. Now, let us multiply first row, first column, that is 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Next, first row, second column, that is 1 into 0 plus minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Next, second row, first column, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. Next, second row, second column, that is 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2. So by simplifying this, we get final matrix, that is 1 plus 0 plus 3, 0 minus 2 plus 6, 2 plus 0 minus 1, 0 plus 3 minus 2, that is 4, 4, 1, 1. So what is the order here? 2 by 2. Already we are discussing previously.